Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw some pumpkins to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this stack of pumpkins, let's first start by drawing the smallest one at the top. So I'm going to come right here and we're just going to draw a very general pumpkin shape, nothing fancy. So let's come up here and I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a curve. You can give it a slight wobble towards the center if you like, but it doesn't really matter. We're just going to go ahead and just draw a curve, bring it down, and just remember this is supposed to be fun and easy. And at the bottom, just give it a little bit wobble and up. And there's so many different shapes of pumpkins, so don't even worry about whatever you draw is totally good, right? So then let's draw the second one, just slightly bigger. So we're gonna come about right here, and we're just gonna do the same thing. So I really hope this inspires you to draw your own stack of pumpkins and put whatever kind of faces you want. So at the bottom right here, I'm just gonna add some ridges. There, and then one big one. So about right here, once again, just like drawing a snowman, right? We're just gonna have 3 layers to this. But of course you can make yours as tall as you want. So once again, towards the bottom, just gonna add some of these curves. There. Okay, so like I said, very general pumpkin shapes. Then we're gonna come to the top right here and I'm going to add one little stem. So little angle, come down, and it's a little bit wider towards the bottom and thinner at the top. And you can even come in here and just add those little tendril if you want, just to fancy it up. And that is pretty much it, right? But we have to bring this to life, of course. So I'm going to draw some very general, once again, pumpkin carved faces. So we're going to come right here. We're just going to do draw some triangles here, another triangle for a nose, and then some of this teeth in the mouth. So right here and up. And then when you're coloring it, just use some darker orange to add some ridges to your pumpkin or something like this, or just to add some ridges to that. You can do that when you're with your pencil as well, or your Sharpie. There. Okay, and then this one, let's just make it a little bit cute, spooky. So like a circle, and I'll add another circle inside. Like I said, it's all up to you. This is just meant to inspire you. So maybe like 2 little triangles for a nose, a little curve at the top right here, and then a mouth. So let's come right here and I'm just gonna zigzag my way across, go up, and then same thing at the bottom, zigzag across. So can't wait to see your fan art and all the faces that you put on your pumpkins. And one more. So let's come right here and I'll change up the direction. So another circle and then another circle here. So same thing here. That's what's nice about drawing pumpkins, right? It doesn't have to be a certain way. Make it however you like. Little lopsided, a little crooked, it doesn't matter. So right here. And another mouth. Let's put a big old tooth in this one and up. We don't want to make it too creepy, right? Because this is Draw So Cute. Okay, so there, I got some faces in here. And then once again, just come in here either with your dark orange or your pencil or your Sharpie and just add some of these lines. Because pumpkins have a lot of ridges, right? Okay, so there, and that is it for our pumpkins. So I thought it'd be really cool to put a little bit of scenery here. So I'm just gonna give our pumpkin some ground, and right next to the pumpkin, let's just add a tombstones just to make it extra cool. So I'm gonna come right here and just pop out this big curve, like this big rock that comes out, right? And then we're gonna come right here, just give it a little edge, and just gonna come popping out of the ground, so something like that. Just continue your ground, and we can add a little cross here, there, and then of course you're gonna write R-I-P, and we're gonna put a heart right here. So I'll just go ahead and thicken this up. There. And let's add some ghost. So I'm gonna come about right here, and I'm gonna have one popping out about right here. Curve. Very wiggly ghost. And a little tail. And let's give this one a little face. A little bit more towards this side. And go, ooh, right? And then one more, perhaps over here. And wiggle. And then another face. Where should we put the face? Maybe here. Same thing. Ooh, it's just so cute, right? Hopefully you think so. And so in terms of the faces, you can either just shade it in all black, or you can even put some color like yellow to make it look like it's glowing. It's all up to you. Like the faces or the eyes here, you can make it all solid black, or you can leave it white. Just play around with it and see which one you like best. But that is pretty much it for this drawing of this stack of pumpkins to celebrate Halloween. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.